Sakay.ph is the best transport directions app in the Philippines. Our directions take about half the time and are significantly more accurate than any other transport app.
We started off as an entry for the Philippine Transit App Challenge back in 2013. So it is a contest sponsored by the World Bank together with various Philippine agencies such as the DBM and the Department of Transport. The main function of Sakay actually when it started in 2013 is a simple website where users can input their origin, their destination, and the website will output what rides to take, where to walk, how much the fare will be, and how long it will take approximately.
Our target users are mainly everyday Filipino commuters who want to navigate within Metro Manila while saving time, money, and effort.
Very difficult yung pag-compute. User-friendly yung interface ng Sakay.ph and very easy to navigate. So kahit sino pwedeng magamit and very helpful talaga siya during my commuting experience.
Sakay.ph addresses the problem of public transportation information being inaccessible through good design. You'll be able to highlight the information that you need and the information that you would find relevant. We need good design in order to make information not just enjoyable, but also be understandable to the consumer. It starts with malasakit.